In the quiet cradle of dawn, the vast fields of Binh Thuan awaken, where dragon fruit plants stand like emerald pillars reaching for the first light. This is a land where nature breathes in harmony, a sprawling canvas of green that holds the secret to a revolution in sustainable high-fashion material. The morning dew clings to the vibrant scales, a testament to the purity of the earth, before the human touch begins its transformative journey today. Every fruit is a masterpiece of biology, wrapped in a protective layer of intense color and structural complexity that hides an unexpected potential within its skin. Brave hands that have worked this soil for generations now gather the harvest, unknowingly participating in the first step of a sophisticated scientific evolution. With a single, precise movement, the fruit is separated from its source, marking the beginning of its transition from a simple crop to luxury leather. Yet, not all are destined for the market. Those left behind, the scarred and the overripe, represent the forgotten waste that we seek to reclaim. What was once considered the end of the line for these fruits is now the spark of inspiration for a new, eco-friendly luxury industry. As the baskets are loaded, the journey shifts from the warmth of the traditional farm to the precision of a high-tech modern processing facility. The road ahead bridges the gap between agricultural tradition and the future of biomaterials, turning surplus into something truly extraordinary and lasting. We enter a world where nature meets innovation, where the humble dragon fruit begins its dramatic rebirth into a material of unparalleled beauty and strength. The process starts with volume, as tons of fruit enter the facility, each one carrying the raw fibers needed to create our biosynthetic masterpiece. Powerful streams of purified water strip away the dust of the fields, revealing the true, vivid brilliance of the dragon fruit's thick, protective outer layer. Every crevice is sanitized, ensuring that only purest organic matter proceeds to the next stage of extraction in this meticulously controlled environment. Precision is key as automation takes over, carefully separating the edible heart of the fruit from the skin that will become our primary raw material. The skin, once a byproduct destined for compost, is now the protagonist, harvested for its unique molecular structure and rich natural pigmentation. Falling like ribbons of velvet, these skins are gathered, ready to be broken down and reconstructed into a durable, flexible, and sustainable alternative to leather. The abundance of color is striking, a natural dye that requires no harsh chemicals, preserving the environmental integrity of the final luxury product. Next, the physical structure of the skin is transformed, as high-torque grinders prepare to turn solid organic matter into a workable biological paste. The essence is extracted, a thick and potent mixture of cellulose and natural polymers that will form the backbone of our bio-leather's unique texture. This liquid gold of the plant world flows into the laboratory phase, where science will take over to rearrange these molecules into a new form. Observe the complexity within the fluid. Millions of microscopic fibers are now suspended, waiting to be bonded together through our proprietary enzymatic process. Every liter is accounted for as we balance the delicate chemistry of nature with the rigorous demands of modern industrial manufacturing and quality control. Data guides the transition, ensuring the consistency of the pulp is perfect before it reaches the sterile environment of the advanced biological laboratory. Refining the material is essential, removing the coarse and leaving only the finest biological building blocks for a leather that feels as smooth silk. In this industrial alchemy, we find beauty in the machine, a rhythmic dance of steel and fruit that redefines what waste can eventually become. Welcome to the future of textiles, a sterile sanctuary where biology and technology merge to create materials that respect the planet and the senses. Precision begins with a single drop, as specialized enzymes are prepared to trigger the structural bonding of the dragon fruit's natural plant fibers. The reaction is instantaneous, a silent chemical conversation that begins to weave the microscopic threads of the plant into a cohesive, durable skin-like structure. Watch as the plant collagen begins to solidify, mimicking the strength of traditional leather while remaining entirely vegan and biodegradable in its final form. Constant motion ensures perfection, blending the natural pigments and biopolymers into a homogeneous substance that will eventually be cast into large, flexible sheets. At the microscopic level, we see the true strength of our material, a dense network of fibers providing the elasticity and durability required for luxury. Our scientists oversee every bond, ensuring that the biological integrity of the fruit is enhanced, not lost, during this sophisticated transformation of matter. We experiment with natural variations, exploring the full spectrum of color that the dragon fruit offers, from soft blush to deep, regal crimson hues. Each batch is tested for purity and strength, a commitment to quality that ensures our bio-leather meets the highest standards of the global fashion industry. Under the ultraviolet glow, the secret life of the material is revealed, a vibrant energy that speaks to living origin of this innovative textile. The transition from liquid to solid begins here, as the perfected mixture is prepared for casting, the final step before it takes its physical shape. Surface tension holds the promise of a flawless finish, a smooth expanse of biomatter that will soon become the touchstone of a new luxury era. Visualizing the invisible allows us to engineer perfection, tailoring the material properties to be as soft as lambskin or as tough as cowhide. Balance is everything in nature and in the lab. We maintain the perfect environment for the bio-leather to grow and stabilize its unique characteristics. Heat and time are the final catalysts, gently coaxing the moisture away and allowing the fibers to lock together in their permanent, resilient configuration. In these incubation chambers, the dragon fruit's essence is reborn, evolving over hours into a material that defies the traditional boundaries of agriculture. The human touch remains the ultimate judge, feeling for that specific resistance and suppleness that signals the birth of a truly high-end fabric. A vision for a cleaner world is reflected in every step, a fusion of deep scientific knowledge and a profound respect for the natural world. As the lab settles into its rhythmic cycle, the foundation of our masterpiece is complete, ready to be shaped into the textures of tomorrow. Now, the art of form begins, as the biobe substance is spread across vast steel canvases, creating the foundation for the sheets of sustainable leather. Uniformity is essential for the master craftsman. Every millimeter of the sheet must be consistent in thickness to ensure the perfect drape and feel. As it rests, the color matures, deepening into a sophisticated palette that mirrors the natural beauty of the fruit while gaining a luxurious depth. Controlled evaporation in the drying tunnel is a delicate dance, removing moisture slowly to prevent cracking while preserving the inherent flexibility of the fibers. A gentle breath of warm air transforms the liquid into a solid, a slow-motion metamorphosis that gives the material its signature durability and resilience. Time performs its magic as the moisture leaves and the soul of the leather emerges, a material that is both ancient in origin and futuristic. Emerging from the heat, the transformation is complete. What was once fruit pulp is now a sheet of high-performance, ethically sourced bio-leather material. To provide the final touch of luxury, we apply the art of texture, using precision embossing to give the surface its distinctive, high-end leather character. Under immense pressure, the story of the fruit is rewritten, as traditional leather patterns are etched into its surface, creating a familiar yet revolutionary feel. The result is a surface that begs to be touched, a complex topography of ridges and valleys that rival the finest traditional hides in existence. Strength meets grace as the sheet is released, its flexibility a testament to the advanced bioengineering that has turned fruit waste into a durable textile. Held to the light, the material reveals its natural soul, a depth of color that is unique to the dragon fruit, impossible to replicate with synthetics. The material is now ready for the master's hand, possessing the body and weight needed for the most demanding applications in the world of fashion. A palette of sustainability hangs before us, a collection of textures and tones that represent a new standard for luxury without compromise or cruelty. The cross-section reveals the truth of its construction, a dense, fibrous network that provides the longevity and classic feel of traditional leather goods. Rigorous testing confirms our achievement. This material is not just a substitute, it is a superior alternative built to endure the test of time. Naturally resilient and treated with eco-friendly finishes, it repels the elements, ensuring that beauty remains untarnished through the rigors of daily use and wear. A final polish brings out the inner radiance, a soft luster that reflects the care and innovation poured into every single square inch of material. From the fields to the finish, the journey of the material is complete, ready to be transformed into icons of style by the world's artisans. We step into the sanctuary of the artisan, where ancient skills meet the material of the future in a celebration of true hands-on craftsmanship. Modernity aids the master, as a precision laser beam carves the intricate shapes of a luxury handbag with a level of accuracy that is flawless. The marriage of light and matter is a silent symphony of precision, ensuring that every panel is cut to perfection for the assembly to follow. Experience guides the process, as the artisan assesses each piece, ensuring that the natural characteristics of the dragon fruit leather are showcased in the design. The rhythmic tap of the mallet echoes through the workshop, a heartbeat of tradition that prepares the material for the strength of the hand stitch. Stitch by stitch, the story is woven together, using only the finest wax threads to ensure a bond that will last for decades of use. There is a meditative quality to the work, a deliberate slowness that honors the material and the time it took to create this sustainable miracle. Finishing the edges is an act of devotion, sealing the biological fibers and creating a smooth, professional look that defines the highest tier of luxury. Heat seals the craft, a final touch of permanence that ensures every detail of the product is as resilient as the material it is made from. The cold touch of gold meets the warmth of the dragon fruit leather, a contrast of materials that epitomizes the aesthetic of modern, conscious luxury. Every component is chosen for its longevity, a philosophy of design that rejects the disposable and embraces the enduring beauty of quality craftsmanship. Bending the material to the will of the design, the artisan finds that the bio-leather responds with the same grace and memory as traditional hides. The final mark of quality is applied, a signature that represents a commitment to innovation, ethics, and the highest standards of the artisan's craft. With a final polish, the object is complete, a physical manifestation of a dream that began in the dragon fruit fields of Binh Thuan. It is more than a bag. It is a statement of what is possible when we look at nature through the lens of creativity and science. We arrive at the final destination, a space of quiet luxury where the dragon fruit leather is presented as the masterpiece it has truly become. The color is magnetic, a natural vibrance that draws the eye and speaks of an origin story rooted in the very earth beneath our feet. Experience the sensation of the future, a material that feels as familiar as it is revolutionary, inviting a new kind of connection with fashion, soft to the touch yet firm in its purpose. This leather carries the warmth of life, a sensory experience that synthetic materials can never truly replicate. Wearable art for the conscious soul. It is a badge of honor for those who believe that style should never come at the cost of the planet. From the soil to the soul, we have traced the path of transformation, proving that the most beautiful things can emerge from the most humble beginnings. This is the new definition of luxury. A harmonious cycle where nothing is wasted and everything is valued for its potential to become something extraordinary. The fruit and the leather, side by side, tell a story of innovation that honors its roots while looking boldly toward a sustainable and elegant future. As the day ends, the legacy of this creation begins, setting a new benchmark for the global fashion industry to follow with heart and mind. Join us in this revolution, where we celebrate the beauty of the earth by transforming its gifts into the treasures of our shared tomorrow. Dragon fruit bio leather, redefining luxury one fruit at a time. The future is here, it is sustainable, and it is